Yeah, I'm coming live in Westgate taxi terminal. As you can see, this is one of the dump truck that was donated by a mine here in Johannesburg. It's just a showcase to show that how huge these trucks are. These are the trucks that have been utilized in a mine. As you can see here, South African Improvement District. The evidence that was done here, and in a nutshell, this is one of the dump truck that is displayed here. And as you can see how big the truck is, it's huge, very huge. Even the tires are so huge. And the mines in South Africa, they use this type of trucks, and this one is donated by Kumba iron ore. We know that South Africa has got a lot of iron ore in Northern Cape, and Kumba iron mine is also situated at that side, and this was donated as a symbol to come and showcase how big and huge is this truck. And this is when it was brought in here, and it's one of the tribute that was done by this company to South Africa. And I thank you so much, South African, to watch this state of hallelujah.